So we are doing rabbit stufado.
Yes.
Huh? Okay, we can start. Now we have what? Onion,
Onion,
rabbit, of course,
Rabbit.
pepper,
pepper, salt,
bahar,
garlic,
bahar, yeah,
canela,
canela, okay,
garlic,
garlic,
daphne.
daphne, okay, okay,
Crashing,
bay leaf.
crashing it go.
Okay, now we can start. We will see how we are gonna do this. We were using small onions, I
Yeah.
guess. Small onions. This place is yours, right? How long had you been cooking? How long?
Oh, cosa χρόνια. 60.
Wow.
Λοιπόν,
This.
πες του εδώ πέρα το κρεμμυδάκι,
Mm.
δεν το κρεβούμε για να μην λιώσει στο ψήσιμο, να βγει γερό.
It means 60 years, huh?
This is ready.
Okay.
No.
Ah, you
this,
don't cut this.
Because pes
Oh,
the
it will. Okay, I get it. You will leave it like this, so it will be like
Yeah, it's
one piece.
Yeah.
It will not just open itself.
Bravo.
Okay, I get it. Okay, great.
Τώρα,
Okay.
κέσμε και
Huh? Guess it. Let me see if I'm doing it correct or not. Okay. Ah. It's hard. Do it one by one. Ah, okay. You are fast.
Yeah.
Huh? I'm doing slow. Oh, okay. Shall I cut this part?
Yes.
Take
yes,
this?
Yes.
Ah. Is it okay?
Yes.
Oh. Nah.
Okay, nice. Güzel, çok güzel.
Çok güzel. Okay, this is better, huh? Woo.